Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from Rust Paper Scissors, and I'm here today to show two more of the mini journals that I've made that will add to my shop. They're basically the same. They have the same number of pages. The pages are exactly the same. There's a couple of pieces of ephemera that is a little bit different, and I will point that out when I go through them. But they're basically the same. They're all the pages are tea dyed. They're blank. Most any ephemera that is in there would be removable, and they're just a lot of fun to make. So let's go through A, and then we'll go through B. Okay, I believe I said they're approximately 4 by 2 3/4. This one has the little Levi label on there. This one has the little red tag from the jeans that says Levi's. The other journal, B, does not have that. It just has a little red label, and I'll show that to you. It has a little rusted star, kind of an homage to Texas, where I'm from. And then inside, this one, A, has this little vintage tuck spot, and then included is a vintage library card that I cut down so it would fit, and that's from like the 50s or 60s. And I'll go through it quickly. They're very easy. This is just some tracing paper. This is a little digital that says story. It has a rusted owl clip, and then just blank pages. And then this is a dictionary page. This is another page with a flip out. This is a writing page. This is some vintage ledger paper from the 1950s. This is the bookmark. It is just the seam from a jeans, and then I added the little star charms to the end of it, kind of like Texas again. And then there's some book page. This is just some graph paper. Again, the writing paper. This is an old map paper. This is some handmade paper. Then there's a little doily, and then this is the envelope, and I covered it with lace, and it's blank inside, but it's for you to fill with your goodies. And then the back, and then these pages are obviously the same. So just go through them quickly. I did add a little vintage charm, or I don't know. Yeah, I guess a charm would be what it's called. That is put on there with removable adhesive, so you could change it. You could take it off or put it in a different place in the journal. And then the back of the journal has a little digital tag, and I added again some of the jean seam material, and that's in the back. So that is A, and then I'm going to stop the camera and we'll look at B. Okay, this is the little B journal, and I will explain the differences as I go through it. Again, it has a Levi label, but the little red tag on the jeans did not say Levi's. It just has an R, so I guess that's maybe a copyright or trademark. Again, it has a little rusted star. On this one, the inside of the journal has a different little digital tuck spot. It has a vintage library card. It has the story digital with the rusted owl clip. Again, the pages are the same. It has the bookmark with the charms, and then just the same pages. And then this is the same. This is the doily, the center of the envelope, the center of the signature, and then the back. And this one, the tag is just a little bit different tag, but again, it has the jean seams on there. And so that's that. They will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I will have pictures and that show the differences on each one. But I do appreciate your time. I would appreciate it if you left me a comment. Hit the like button. That I believe helps get my videos seen. Thank you very much.